Okay, let's talk about Adobe Bridge for a minute. So I have a million copies of my Family 570, which is actually, I've changed the file name for my genealogy program. But this version of it, and so Adobe is seeing all the versions of the image I have on my computer, which is a substantial number. I can then clean up my computer with that. But I like this test image because, one, it helps me test colorizing programs and recoloring programs, but it also is a good metadata test because I know a lot about it. So when you download Adobe Bridge, it's pretty simple to download it. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. You cannot change the file properties of this image. So I can't change the file name. You want to make sure they have the file name that you want as the file name before you upload it to Adobe, or edit it in Adobe Bridge. So then anything with a pencil next to it, this is the sort of key for and this is all the different IPTC metadata. Now, if I knew who took the photograph, and I'm not really sure who took the photographs, I would add that. The address, the city, I don't know any of that information. You can use a headline. I can use a description. So I'm going to put a description in here. And this is, and then, there we go. I wanted to put description, and it took me down to, I want to do this. Taylor's birthday party. I'm just putting information in here. I have lots of stuff. Keywords. I always put people as keywords, so I'll put Eliza Jane Wilson. I don't have a subject code. Description writer. Date created. I'm not really sure what date it was created, but I'm going to say 1970. That seems to be about, she dies in 1969. Let's put this as 1964. I can put the city. I know. And I'm going to say, yes, I want to apply these. Okay, so it wants a date. So let's go down here to date created. I'm going to put 12/23/1964. It should work. City, I know where it was taken. So you put the city in, and then the state and the province. And so I'm using this as an example that you should fill in as much as you possibly can, because this is your test image. Title, birthday, grandma's birthday party. Copyright notice, I don't really have one. Audio, there's a lot of stuff I don't know about this image, or you don't have, or it's not important for your genealogy. But we got a lot of information in here right now. There's no people, but I put them in the key. I put her in the keyword, and I will put. I'll leave her in the keyword. Okay, so now that's good for now. That's how I'm using this program and creating a test file that then I can upload various places and see what actually is kept. I did this with this image for MemoryWeb. All those videos are on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. Take a look at them. But anyway, for this purpose, this is how you can create a test image, which you should have.